Did you know that the world's aircraft carriers are a testament to naval power? At number 5, we have Italy, proudly operating 2 aircraft carriers that enhance its maritime capabilities. In 4th place, the United Kingdom also boasts 2 modern carriers, showcasing its commitment to a strong naval presence. Coming in at 3rd is India, with 2 formidable fleet carriers that play a crucial role in its defense strategy. In 2nd place, China is rapidly expanding its carrier program, now with 3 impressive vessels. But at the top, the United States reigns supreme with a staggering 11 aircraft carriers, leading the globe with the largest and most powerful fleet, truly dominating the seas. If you want to know their power and name, let me know in the comments.